Start. At the outset, before the matter could be opened by learned counsel for the appellant, learned counsel for the respondents have raised a preliminary objection that they, since being on caveat, have received the copy where the Punjab State Transmission Corporation Limited is an appellant, whereas the paper book showed that the present appeal is only on behalf of the Punjab State Power Corporation Limited. Stop. Learned counsel for the respondents or caveator have vehemently raised the issue that the present appeal is not maintainable and they do not have the correct copy of the appeal, and even the averments in the appeal have been made on behalf of the Punjab State Lord Dispatch Centre as appellant number 3. Stop. Faced with this situation, the assisting counsel for the appellant served the correct copy and then the matter was adjourned. Stop. Learned senior counsel for the appellant has made a categoric statement that they do not wish to amend the appeal and would like to proceed with the appeal as such, despite the fact that the Power State Transmission Corporation Limited, the lawful, unreasonable or discriminatory revocation of or refusal to renew any consent required by the seller or any of the seller's contractors to perform their obligations under the project documents or any unlawful, unreasonable or discriminatory refusal to grant any other consent required for the development or operation of the project. Stop. Provided that an appropriate court of law declares the revocation or refusal to be unlawful, unreasonable and discriminatory and strikes the same down. Stop. The learned senior counsel, relying upon clause 12.2 as enumerated above, has contended that the word used in the said clause is an affected party means the procurer or the seller whose performance has been affected by an event of force majeure, and enlarging scope of the said definition, the counsel submits that they are squarely covered and would fall within the meaning of procurer for the reason that it is Punjab State Power Corporation Limited which is the affected party within the meaning of the word the procurer. Stop. Hence the liability to pay the rentals for the period during lockdown is yet to be adjudicated upon and considered by the tribunal. Stop. Therefore, no order could have been passed by the tribunal by way of interim measure on the applications filed under section 17 of the Arbitration Act in a case where there is a serious dispute with respect to the liability of the rental amounts to be paid. Stop.